This is a short tutorial that will show you how to create C files and compile them on the Linux machines that are in the CAEDM lab. Once you've logged in to one of the Linux machines, and these tend to be the spice machines, they're named after spices, things like garlic and whatnot, in the CAEDM lab, go ahead and click on, you'll find an icon that looks like this little black box. This is a terminal. Click on that. And this gives you a place where you can type in commands. These commands. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start up the editor. So let's type in the editor I suggest you use, and one I use here in this tutorial is called gedit. So go ahead and type gedit with the ampersand, and this will start it up in the background so you can continue to use this console window. And let's just move it over to this side here so we can see what we're doing a little bit. And we'll also resize this some, and then okay. So what I would suggest you do is you immediately save the file, say, let's call it test.c, and put a .c on it. If you do that, then it will syntax color things in a way that's a little bit easier to understand. So if we do this simple hello world program, first thing we do is do the include file. Here's our main, printf, hello world, exclamation point in, and then end that, and there we go, and then save it. Now, I've done a number of things inside here. There's a bunch of files here, but we'll find there is test.c. To compile that, all you have to do is type gcc, that's the name of the C compiler that you're going to be using, with the name of the file, test.c, like that. And as long as you don't get any errors, that's the only thing that will happen. This creates a program called a.out that you can execute. So if we want to take and execute that program, we'd say /, and that's just telling Linux to look in the directory that you're in, and then the name of the program a.out. And you'll see right here that it typed hello world. So that's about it. This will be sufficient for just the small programs that you'll be doing as you work through the textbook. And we'll make it so that you can experiment and play around and test your programs here.